I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enhance the security of your Coinbase account, enabling two-factor authentication 2FA is a great step. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Start by visiting the Coinbase website or opening the mobile app. Enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security tab in the menu. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Security section, find the option for two-factor authentication and click on it. This will take you to the setup page. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You can select between using an authenticator app or receiving SMS codes. I recommend using an authenticator app for better security. Quick gotcha: if you choose SMS, ensure your phone number is verified in your account settings first. Step 5. Complete the setup. Follow the prompts to link your chosen 2FA method. You will receive a verification code to finalize the setup. Enter the code to activate 2FA. Now your Coinbase account is more secure with 2FA enabled. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the security features available. Happy trading!